Got a Nissan Altima on the rack, dropping the K-frame. Got everything ready to come off. It's got a bolt hung up in the bottom motor mount, so I threw the chain over to this strut because everything is loose and ready to drop. We gotta knock that knuckle off the steering rack, but I break it all down while it's up here. Normally the struts would hold it from falling, but I set it down, was gonna undo the struts and let the suspension and K-frame drop, get it out of the way, pop the axles out, and then set the motor on the wheel, undo the upper motor mounts, because all the wiring. All the wiring is undone. Right there, bolt. Set it back down. We take the chain off.
45 minutes to get